Hello everybody, this is going to be week 4 of the home buyer warning videos. This is a good one. It's one that I frequently talk about with my clients, and it's the estimator tools that we see on platforms such as Zillow. Now these tools can be great, they can be helpful. If you're out there perusing the market, if you're just looking, you're not really ready to buy yet, you're just kind of seeing what's out there. There's nothing wrong with using these tools, but they can be incredibly misleading. They can be inaccurate. Almost always they're inaccurate, if I'm being completely honest with you. And it's something we want to be aware of. So let's break it down in this video and get to it. So for instance, the monthly payments that you'll see on those tools, the home values you'll see on those tools are not accurate. They're not off by hundreds of dollars. They're not off by $1,000. They can be off by tens of thousands of dollars. We're talking huge amounts of money that these things are just wildly off on. And it's not their fault. Like I said, it's okay to use those tools as like an icebreaker into the field of looking for houses, but they're not accurate because they can't take account of things like recent HOA updated fees, recent taxes that have increased, interest rates that have increased. They can't take into account for accommodations of the property, such as degradation of the property. Like you have a brandly new remodeled kitchen versus a kitchen that was built in the 30s, with original appliances. That's going to affect the value of the house. And sometimes, depending on the quality of those upgrades or not upgrades, prices can wildly swing. Keep in mind the value of the property, the location of the property, the neighbor of the property, neighborhood of the property, and then the landscaping around the property. If you show up and it's 100% overgrown and you got to get in there with a machete to get to your front door, that's not going to sell as well or have not nearly as much value as a house that has a beautifully manicured front yard. These all come into play that the algorithms on Zillow don't account for, because they're thinking purely square footage. They're thinking purely base amenities. They're thinking how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, what does it have in the kitchen, what does it not have. It's really not taking into account a lot of the things that us as agents are trained to do and help you ascertain for yourself, so you can get a real number, so that when you actually are coming into the market, you have a real idea of what you can afford, what you can afford looks like, and you're not out there kind of wasting your time or getting your hopes up. So if you're looking for accurate numbers here in the Florence area, give me a call. And of course, like every week, we'll be doing a Q&A here at the end. So if there's anything I said or anything I've talked about in the past that you have questions on or would like some more elaboration on, or anything that you just might want to add, feel free to drop it below and we'll get to it.